Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to a gorgeous day in the garden. I am so excited to be here with you guys today. The last video we showed you guys how to make these beautiful 3D flowers using resin and some molds that I had. And last night I was editing videos and my daughter Tatiana came up and she goes, "Mom, can we go pour some of those resin flowers?" And I first thought, oh gosh, I'm so busy. I'm leaving tomorrow. I got all this stuff to do. And then I looked at her face and she was so excited. I said, okay, fine. Let's take a break from editing and we'll go pour some resin flowers. And we had such a good time together. We had so much fun. She's so creative. And like, she was like, how do I do it? And I was explaining to her in the beginning, like, this is what I want to do. And she said, well, what about if we switched it up and did it this way? And so these are actually her brainchild. But they're so pretty and I'm so excited to share them with you guys. So let's get started. Today we're using a 12 by 16 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artists Loft. I have taped the back and put my push pins in, but I haven't painted my sides yet. I will do that on camera with you guys. That's a 12 by 16. I'm actually going to keep that out because I'm going to use it in a minute. These are the molds that I was using. This is a 5-inch silicone mold for resin and it creates these beautiful, beautiful flowers, which I'm a little bit obsessed with. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna pretend I'm not. That they're just so beautiful. And she did such an amazing job with the colors. This is This Little Piggy in Comet, and the purple color is actually a custom color that we did that was Venus with a little bit of, I think it was Nightfall. Yeah, a little bit of Nightfall in there to give us this beautiful darker purple tone. Which they're just so pretty. I'm just in love with these. My heart starts skipping a beat or stuff. So what we're going to do today is we're going to dry brush the canvas to give us a nice background. And then we're going to use these 3D flowers and glue them onto the canvas and make a pretty composition that's going to be 3D. And to glue them on, I'm going to use this Gaffrey clear acrylic paint as the glue, because it's great stuff for that. It works really, really awesome. So let's get started. I'm going to get some gloves on real quick. So I was thinking what would make these colors really stand out. And first I thought, how about white? And they do look pretty on white, but I thought something darker, like a Prussian blue, would give us a really nice dark base so that they would really show up, because the piggies do have, you know, an iridescence to them and a sparkle and a shimmer and a shine. So I think they're going to look really nice on that darker background. So I have a couple of these little foam brushes that we're going to use, and I'm just going to take my Prussian Blue. This one is almost empty. This is the tub that I use for this sort of thing, and I literally just dip the brush in there. I'm going to do the sides and edges first so you guys can see, and I'm just going to brush this on there. No pouring medium on this.
Are you actually painting with paint?
Yeah. I always do this. This is how I do my sides and edges. Okay. Dip a little bit. And when when your tubs get kind of empty, this is a great use for them, because you only need a little bit. And that way you're not wasting what's left in the tub. You're still using it, but you're not frustrating yourself. Oh no, I can't get enough for a full cup of paint.
I'm not sure a lot of people paint with tubs or jugs.
Some people do. A lot of people, when you get really serious about what you're doing. Well, you know, the tubs are actually a lot more economical than the small tubes, because you get a lot more paint by weight. You know, you're getting a whole, that's 16 ounces of paint for a price versus paying for a 4-ounce tube, which is not cheap in and of itself, but much more economical per ounce if you buy it bigger. So, and if it's colors that you use a lot, math don't lie. He's howling again. We left Baxter over there by the patio and he's howling. Okay, so what I want to do here is kind of like maybe a gradient. We're getting this. Like, I'm going to stay over here. Yeah, thank you. We're making sunspot. Okay, so I'm just going to take that same brush and we're going to kind of do, I don't want a lot of paint on there. And we're just going to start on this corner. Are you ready, HOA?
Yes.
Okay, so we're just going to go along this corner. And this is a dry canvas. I haven't put anything else on there. And I like to kind of go in the same direction. I don't want to go back and forth and up and down. I started going this sort of diagonal. I'm going to keep going with that. I also have the permanent violet dark here. I'm just going to get a different brush, clean brush, and dip that in there and then kind of overlap a little bit. And then we'll put some blue on top of this one also. And you could use a regular freight brush. You don't need to use one of these foam brushes, but this is what I have and what I like. And you notice I'm using very, very small amounts of paint, and I'm spreading it out a lot. I'm not leaving it on there real thick. What do you think of that each way?
It looks pretty cool.
It's kind of pretty. I had thought about taking some of this pearl and just putting a little bit on there. I'm just going to dip this right in there. And kind of in a few areas, just put a little bit. That's cool, I like that. I'll do it one more time. And that's the Amsterdam Pearl Blue. So it should give us a little bit of a shifty. And also because that paint is thinner, when I blend that into the other two, the two golden ones, it acts as a medium almost. Okay. What do you think about that?
Lovely.
Lovely. Okay. We're just going to give that like a minute to dry, if that. And I'm going to show you, let's talk about composition. So we'll move that over for a second. And let's just pretend that our table here is our canvas, and let's figure out what order we want to put these in. So I really love these. I love this like darker kind of dusty edge on this white one. That's the Comet, TLP Comet. It's a gorgeous color in the sunlight. It sparkles and shimmers with this iridescent blue-violet shift on it. So pretty. So let's see. Yeah, that's gonna look really cool. So I do kind of want them over here. I don't want to put them down yet because I want this to dry just a smidge more. So over here where actually I put the blue violet, you can see those spots sort of. So I'm wondering if I shouldn't do it this way and have the flowers kind of covering that up. What do you think, HOA?
Because the lines are a bit of an arc, I actually like it the other way.
The other way better?
Yeah. Just throw
Streaks
some more,
in the sky.
Just throw some more blue paint on there.
Actually, we'll go over the edges with what's left of my on the permanent blue violet one, just to make it a little bit more uniform, and kind of put a second coat on there. You'd be surprised how much paint actually stays on these brushes. Foam brushes. Okay. Alright. So now what we're going to use as our glue is this amazing stuff. This is the Gaffrey 3D paint. This is the clear one. So this is the heavy texture. And it's in this tube, and I've just squeezed a little bit and let that dry. So I'm going to pull that off, which makes a lovely little seal and closes the bag nicely. And pull any of this hard stuff out. Now I'm just going to use this And I'm going to squeeze a little bit out onto here so we can use that as our glue. And I'm going to take a palette knife. So let's decide which one we're going to use first. Let's put this one with the more Comet kind of over here on the edge like that. So I'm just going to flip it over. I'm going to take my palette knife and I'm going to put some of this clear acrylic paint here on the bottom. And we're just going to position this where we want it. So looking right about there. Just push down a little bit and that will dry. That's it. Okay, I think I want this one in here maybe. Yeah, and maybe one of these little ones here. This one like this. This clear gloss on here. And this dries completely clear, so even if you had a little bit of extra on there, you would not see it at all. Okay. I'm going to put one of these little ones on here. This is a Camellia. It's cute. Side over here. Okay, let's do this bigger one. And that's okay. I can either take a paper towel and just wipe that up, or a better thing to do probably would be just to stick a different flower over there. So let's do that. Let's take this whiter one. Whiter, yes. And stick it right in here. I'm going to scoop it over even a little more. Make some more room. Okay, that's cute.
You maybe need to take that other one up and put more paint under it?
This one?
No, the other one.
This one? Nah, it'll be alright. Because there was plenty on there. Okay. That's pretty cute. Did we glue this one? Yeah, we did. Okay. Okay, now I'm just going to put these other two. I'm going to put one over here and one down here. Ish. I feel like it needs something small. We do have these two little ones that are the same colors. Let me put one there and one here. What do you think? Yeah?
Yeah, they look cool.
Or...
Is it odd because they're a different model?
Well, yes, I have... I could do this one. That's pretty. Let's do that. Okay. And that's Comet too, so. Okay, I'll just put this right on there. There you go. That's so cute! Do I want these on here? I think I do. Another one? Yeah. Okay.
Threes.
I do have another one of these though.
Provides a bit of balance.
Put this one down there too. Okay. Alright. And you could also use gel gloss, like Liquitex Extra Heavy Gel Gloss or Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss. Any of the heavy gel glosses would work to use as your glue for this. So, what do you think, HOA? Do you think it needs anything else or it's good?
No.
Okay, so this is our little 3D flower, and the reason I wanted to show you this one is after we showed you how to make these beautiful flowers, what do you do with them? This is one idea of what you can do with them. So I love these. I love the shape. I'm probably going to be doing more like this because this really excites me and makes me happy. And I hope you guys enjoyed it too. It's dry, so this is me showing it to you while it's dry. And it's not going to change at all from this. So this was really awesome. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. I should be coming back from FAB any day now when you guys are seeing this. I'm actually leaving tonight to go there.
At the time of shooting?
And should probably be packing, but that's okay. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for being here. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. We'll see you real soon. Can you get a nice close-up,
Bye-bye now.
slow
Bye-bye.
and
Bye-bye now.
sexy shot of these? Like I just